Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to we actually did this a few days ago. We battled Prodigy Prince. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So I'm actually going to be doing a voiceover for this because my clumsy self deleted the video of me battling him. So I'm just going to be doing a voiceover and what I thought, or what my thought process was while I was battling him. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, and as we started off, he was going with Ember Shed, and I was going with Magma.
Thing is huge. Look at that thing right there.
Yeah,
A Quaster Coral coming in. That is a huge pet right there. Let me get the question correct. Nice job by us right there. He puts in Mag Mayhem and an ultimate member pet, and
it took me a second
this.
to answer
Not
this
a lot
question,
because it is.
But
there we go. We use Volcano doing 3,600 damage. Not a lot because it is fire against fire. He uses Volcano as well, and he does more damage than us actually. Alright, we're gonna use Volcano. I don't know. Should we use Torrent though? Should we use Torrent? This is where I'm torn. You get it? Torrent, get it? Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use Volcano again. If we're going as well, which is good news for us right there. But here's what we're gonna do. We use Volcano as well, which is good news for us right there. But here's what we're gonna do. We use Volcano. We are actually not, I repeat, we are not, for the third time, going to be using a...
In the right here, he said that he was going to rely on Supernova to carry him. But what he doesn't know is that Supernova is a very bad move in this game, and it doesn't do anything anymore. It's not any bit powerful. It just is like a way to hit both of them, but it's much more effective to go with I can't remember what it's called.
Hey, you wait, hold. Volcanic, get the magnet. A minute.
It's much more.
Okay, yeah, no, we don't have enough for unlimited power, so we're just gonna use Volcanic, get the Mag Mayhem out, and be happy with that. But let's go ahead, use Mag Mayhem, and get this battle won. And as I expected, we got the question correct. That was a very hard question, but he uses Wildfire, and as I expected him to do, but he does 4,300 damage to us, so that's not good for Pradraxis. But you know what? I'm okay with that. We use Volcanon, get his Mag Mayhem out. What we're gonna do is keep on stocking up on energy. This way we can pound him with Supernova when we need to, and Ember Shed or Pradraxis will be going up against Quaster Coral. I'm gonna put in my Wizard. Let's see what he puts in. I think he should put in his Wizard. But okay, he puts in his Wizard, which is good. We're gonna use Falling Star Smash right here. We're just gonna save up our energy because now he is low on energy. So this could work in our favor or damage. So we're in an awkward position right here. Okay, this is Falling Star Smash, doing 4,800 damage, so we're in an awkward position.
Star Smash is actually one of the powerful things in this game. But compared to Supernova, Supernova is just really bad when Falling Star Smash is
right here. Okay, we are in an awkward position right here. This could work against us right now. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. This is last resort right here. We just gotta use Supernova. And we gotta hope that we can do some kind of damage to him. Supernova, we should have enough energy to do 2. I don't know. I think we might have lost this battle at this point. We get the question correct. He uses Falling Star Smash and he kills our wizards as I expected. But here's what we're gonna do. We use Supernova, excuse me, right? So we use Supernova. I don't know how much damage we might have lost. Yep. Yeah, we might have lost. Okay.
So it's really weak.
Alright.
Wizards and against how much did it do,
yeah, we use Falling Stars, or Supernova, excuse me, right? So we use Supernova. I don't know how much damage we might have lost.
Talk with your core
yep.
to 3,000.
Yeah, we might have lost. Okay.
Which
alright.
Is very weak. So he puts in
no, ma'am. I think we might have lost. Dang, man. Yeah, I think we've lost. There, so GG. And a total malfunction. We get the question wrong.
So we do
we're done. We're done. Dang it, man.
Which pretty much,
alright. I mean, GG, Daviday. Dude, I don't know. Yeah. That's definitely my correct. My bad. I take full responsibility for that one. We get the question correct. Yep. We're done. Alright. So, there we go. Eon Cannon. Not going to be able to kill him. Dang it, man. That really stings. Oh. Alright. GG. GG. We definitely did our best with that one. So GG, thank you to Daviday for doing that with me. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the flip flop.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Go subscribe to Prodigy Prince, and yeah, bye.